Nimble and Databricks can integrate in a number of really interesting ways. Today, we're going to be looking up how to integrate Nimble through UDTF with Databricks. And this is an incredible integration, and it's really, really useful for all kinds of data engineers because it basically allows us to query the live web just like we would a database. For example, in this demo, you can see how we can select a title and a URL from a Nimble search for AI agent framework news with a news focus mode. We ask it to return 5 results. So we're really querying like a table in Databricks, but we're bringing information back from the live web directly from Nimble search capabilities. And the setup for this is super, super straightforward. There's a couple of prerequisites that I've already set up, and you don't need any prior knowledge, so I'm not going to waste your time with those. But then in order to actually set this up in Databricks, it's really straightforward. We're going to have a terminal open, and the first step is just to create an environment variable with our Nimble API key. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste these into my terminal. Okay, now I've created the scope. Next, I'm going to create the secret for my API key. Now we've got the API key. And lastly, I'm just going to give the permissions that I need. And we're done. Next, what we need to do, we've created a whole cookbook that will very easily guide you through the entire process. So all I'm going to do is git clone the cookbook into my local directory. I'm going to move into the cookbook directory. And I'm going to copy, first we've got to set this environment variable, which we've already done using the Databricks CLI. And finally, we're going to run the Python script, which is going to do all of the setup for Nimble's integration into Databricks. And we're finished. The script is completed, and it's created all of the integration tools that Databricks needs in order to fetch Nimble search results in real time. Now we're going to do a quick smoke test. I'm just going to grab this little example that we've got here for us. Oops. I'm going to hop over into my Databricks. I'm going to go to my workspace. I'm going to create a new query. And I'm going to run this query. So it's using UDTF through the Nimble integration with Nimble Search, running a search in real time on the web for AI agent framework news. It's going to return 10 listings to us. And as soon as it's finished, the output is going to show us the title. Here we go. The title and the URLs that it just fetched in real time. This has been a quick demo showing you how to set up Nimble's integration with Databricks UDTF and using it directly inside your Databricks SQL. I hope you enjoyed.